Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back in the foothills of Snowdon today and I'm going to be hiking up Snowdon via the Llanberis path, which is a route I've never taken up Snowdon before. I've done 4 of the 6 routes up, I think. I've done Miners, Pig, Rangers and also the Watkin, so this will be my first time doing the Llanberis route, which I'm really excited about. This is actually the longest route and it is one of the ones where I think you gain some of the most elevation because you're starting from much lower down in Llanberis. But yeah, really excited. Hopefully we'll get some nice views. It's a little bit cloudy today, but there is some blue sky poking through. So, and we're also going to be joined by my new friend today, called Jo, and she has 3 amazing YouTube channels, so I'll make sure to link them below if she wants that, so you can go and see her stuff if you'd like. But yeah, it's going to be her first time up Snowdon, so, and it's my favourite mountain, so I'm really excited to share that with her and hopefully have a great day in the mountains.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice the second I get caught by you?
So we're just heading up the Llanberis path now. We're approaching 2 miles. It's quite a lot of elevation. I think for the whole walk you climb 3,199 feet. So you start at about 300 foot elevation in Llanberis. So it's a little bit tough going, but a very easy trail to follow and beautiful views of the valley and the train, which you will have just seen. So yes, looking a little bit grey at the summit. Might get a clear summit. Fingers crossed for good views. So unfortunately the cafe is closed. No ice cream for us. It's also starting to get very misty now. So we head up, gain some more elevation.
Nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice the second I get caught by you? I wanted you to know that
So we're out of the mist and a little bit of blue sky coming and improved visibility, so hopefully we'll get some nice views from somewhere, although still looking a bit foggy ahead. We'll see. So we're just coming down from the summit of Snowdon, as you can see, descending back into the mist. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. It's my first time obviously going up the Llanberis path, and it's been really nice finding a new way to the top of Snowdon. I think this is my 4th or 5th one of the routes up now, so that was really nice. It was a lot steeper than I anticipated, as a lot of people online said that it's kind of the granny path and really easy, which is definitely the easiest one, but there's some very steep sections and it is quite long, so it's a little bit more of a calf burner than anticipated. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, or comment if you wish. You know I will love a good comment, and seeing what you guys write on the videos. But yeah, thanks for watching.